This video, we are going to learn about the productivity and time computer hacks. What we are going to discuss? We are going to discuss the Windows shortcut commands that will save our time and will increase the productivity of our work. Let us start with the first command. Use multiple virtual desktop. That means this is the desktop that we are setting over here. We can use the multiple desktop. Okay, so what command we have to do for it? Window plus Control plus D create the virtual desktop, and Window plus Control plus left arrow or right arrow to switch the desktop between like first desktop, second desktop, and third desktop. What it helps organize the workspaces, coding, browsing, meetings separately. Suppose we are at this desktop and I have opened this browser. Okay, so now I am going to create the another desktop. So I am pressing Window Control plus D. So now it is created the new desktop. Here we don't have any tabs over here. The Chrome browser, then we will not able to get any URL of the PDF over here or any tabs of the browser. This is the another virtual desktop. How to switch between the desktop? We have to press Control, Window, and left arrow to back to the desktop, and Control, Window, the right to the desktop. Okay. So now, what we have to learn about on this, how many desktop are currently open in the system. So for this, we have to press Window plus tab. So this will show the virtual desktop over here, like desktop 1, desktop 2, or we can also add the new desktop from here. Suppose I can click on it, the first desktop. Okay. Similarly, we can move to the second desktop, the Control, Window, and right arrow key, or Control, Window, left arrow. Okay, I hope you got it command correctly. It will help the productivity and coding style, like managing the coding, browsing separately if you want to do help in types of works. Now we will close the desktop window tab, and I will close this desktop because this is not required as of now. Okay. Now the second command is to see clipboard history. Okay. So when we copy something, okay, when we copy something and we forget what is copied or not, we have to see what is copied. What is copied? We don't see, right? For seeing this clipboard history, we have to press key plus B access the clipboard history. In the Mac, the apps like paste or clipboard manager. Never lost copy text again. We will not lose the whatever we copied over here. We have to use Window plus V. So suppose we have copied this thing, Control C I pressed, and we copied this thing. Now I am going to see Window plus V. What is the history? The copy, like currently the copy I use, and previously I copied this one and this one, like this one. We have copied this. Okay, so this is the clipboard history. We will not lose any data again. The short that will help the productivity time. Okay, now come to the third part. So this is the quick screenshot command. This is for quick screenshot command. Okay, if you want to take a quick screenshot of the selected area, okay, so we will use Window plus Shift plus S for snipping. Okay, the Mac command plus Shift plus 4. Okay, so we are in the window. So let me press Window Shift and S. Okay, so has opened the tool, snippet tool, to select the area. Okay, suppose we have selected this area. Okay, so this area has selected. Okay, so now let me show you again. Window plus okay, so the area. Okay, we got it. Okay, now come to the next part, fast app launch, the fourth feature that we are going to over here. The Windows pin apps taskbar and launch plus number. So in the window we are seeing like these are the apps, the pin bar. Okay, the Copilot, this is the File Explorer, this is the Edge browser, Microsoft Store, this is the Outlook, the Firefox browser, the WPS, this is the Chrome. So these are the apps, and we are going to access the number. Okay, so suppose we have to open this one, this page. So this is at third position, the pin task browser. Okay, so to do this, I have mentioned this in the example. If Chrome is first pin, window plus one pins it instantly. Okay, if it is at first position Chrome, then it will open. Okay, so at first position there is a Copilot, at third position there is a Edge browser. So we are going to open with the third with the window plus third command. So let me press window plus third, so it opens the Edge browser. Okay, this is now open. Let me close it. Okay, so if you want to open like Microsoft Store, this is at fourth position, so window plus 4, I pressed opening Microsoft Store. I hope you are getting the points what I am going to tell. Okay, now come to the next part, tab restore. Browser crash, like whenever browser crash or host browser. Okay, so if we want to the tabs, open tabs in the Chrome browser, then can use like control plus to reopen the last closed tab. Work in the Chrome, Firefox and Edge. Suppose I have opened this thing, like I have opened GitHub. Okay, now I have opened like ChatGPT over here. Okay, so I have opened the these like 4 tabs. Now I browser. Okay, and also browser. So if I am going to restore the tabs, then I will open the Chrome browser. Okay, and we will press what command? Control and T. Okay, restored our browser. I press the command and this restored our browser like ChatGPT, like GitHub, like open the browser tab. Okay, I hope you like the video. If you like the video, comment us that we can make the video as per. Subscribe to the channel for the more updates. Thanks for next.